Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex report for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing the Quantum Queen X EA for MT5. This is the next generation version of the Quantum Queen Gold system with expanded strategy options and the trend following grid components. So let's examine it carefully. Right, so as you can see, the EA goes for 1,199.99 USD. And expanding this, you can see on the MKO5 page that the Quantum Queen X builds on the original Quantum Queen core engine and introduces a custom mode that lets traders enable or disable individual strategies. The default preset now combines 9 carefully selected strategies instead of the previous 7, aiming for broader market coverage while keeping the disciplined approach of the original. So it includes 12 optimized built-in strategies overall, more trading sessions, and then a light trend following grid system that builds positions intelligently by following structured market momentum rather than random price movements. The developer emphasizes that the EA does not trade simply to stay busy and waits for multiple conditions to align. Live signals with multi-year track records are referenced, and limited pricing with step increases is noted. After purchase, the developer provides an installation manual and setup instructions via private message. As for the key features include the custom mode for strategy selection, multiple broker-specific set files, medium and low risks for different brokers, multi-time frame compatibility, continuous 24/5 analysis, plug and play defaults, and the trend following grid components. Recommended setup, as you can see, is XAUSD, um, the gold pair on a 2 decimal price code broker, hedging account, minimum of $500, preferably $1,000, initial deposits with 1:500 leverage, as you can see, and a mandatory VPS. Brokers offering ECN slash raw slash low spread conditions are preferred. All right, so we have some screenshots here by the developer. Let's take a look at some of them. All right, so it claims 28 plus months of live trading, and within that period, it claims growth of over 3,600%, spread out over 1,336 trades, with a win rate of 77%. Okay. Let's also take a look at the equity curve. Okay, it's taking a bit of time to load up. So, okay, let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. Um, okay, so from what we can see here, we can see it's kind of smooth movements to the upside. You can see pretty decent movements of the equity curve over time. Okay, so those are the screenshots that were provided by the developer. But now let's compare it with my own personal backtest to see how it actually held up. I was able to put the EA through my own personal test using the recommended XAUSD on the M15 time frame for a custom period of 1 year from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. And for the initial deposits of $10,000, the equity curve shows strong overall growth, as you can see, with net profits around $75,000 and a high profit factor of 6.80. However, the drawdown was 3.75%, which is a little bit substantial and indicates that floating losses during open grid or multi-position sequences were significant before recovery. All right, we can see that the equity drawdown, um, which is a maximum of 55%, it's quite substantial, as I previously said. All right, and the total trades taken were 554 trades. This pattern is common in systems that include a grid or position building elements. The curve can look smooth in hindsight once positions close profitably, but the equity parts can experience deep temporary drawdowns. History quality is 84%, which is acceptable but not perfect. All right, so let's go back to the site. The expanded strategy set and custom mode give users more control than a pure black box system. The trend following grid aims to build in the direction of momentum rather than against it, which is better than classic counter trend recovery, yet it still increases exposure when the market moves against the initial positions. Honestly, the features that matter most are the risk level or set file selection, whether the grid component is active or limited, conservative money management, and continuous monitoring of floating equity. The high profit factor must be weighed against the large equity drawdown shown. As for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, if 55% equity drawdown is a serious risk event, even if the account recovered in the test. Grid or multi-position building can amplify losses during sharp gold reversals or news spikes. Broker spreads, slippage, and leverage matter significantly. In practice, start with the lowest risk set files, understand exactly how the grid behaves, use a quality low spread broker and VPS, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Past results never guarantee future performance. Alright, overall, the Quantum Queen X is an expanded multi-strategy gold system with custom mode and the trend following grid components. The shared backtest shows strong net growth accompanied by a very large equity drawdown. Independent verification, conservative settings, and clear understanding of the grid risks are essential. Always trade with money you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Don't forget to grab that free robot from the description too. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.